Ready to turbocharge your PowerApps by automating document signing. First, let's open PowerApps and either select an existing app or create a new one from blank. For this tutorial, we'll use an existing app. Next, navigate to the screen where you want to trigger the DocuSign process. This is usually the screen that contains the data you want to send for signature. Click on the data sources icon, looks like a database, and search for the DocuSign Connector. Select DocuSign from the list. You might need to log in with your DocuSign account. Now, add a button to your screen. We'll use this button to trigger the DocuSign envelope creation. Select the button, and in the formula bar at the top, we'll start writing our function. Here's where the magic happens. Use the DocuSign Connector function. It usually starts with DocuSign created. You'll need to pass in parameters like recipient email, recipient name, document name, and the document content. You can pull this data directly from your PowerApps fields using their names. For example, text input 1 text. Once the formula is set, test your integration by clicking the button. You should see a confirmation that the envelope has been created and sent. Check your email and the recipient's email. You should both receive a DocuSign notification. And that's it. You've successfully integrated DocuSign with PowerApps. This will revolutionize your automation process. So subscribe for more PowerApps tips.